Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about the next step in the research process, which is taking notes for your research. So, you're going to need your working bibliography to complete this step. So, you should have submitted your working bibliography to me. Your sources should be in alphabetical order. They should be have a hanging indentation. They should your assignment for the working bibliography should look just like mine. So that when we get ready to take the notes, all we have to do is pull from the working bibliography. So on Blackboard for you, I've placed two handouts. The first handout is the handout that I want you to use to take your notes. And I want you to take your notes in a very specific way, so pay close attention to this handout as well as the sample handout that I am going to show you. So let's start with the blank handout. You should have access to this handout. You should be able to type on this handout. I will have a Word document and I will have the Google Doc of this assignment for you. So look at this. You're going to take notes. What I want you to do is take notes on support for your position. And I want you to take notes on support for the opposing position. Look at this. You're going to create topic sentences. You're going to take your thesis statement, which you'll place here. You're going to take topic sentences. Topic sentences come directly from your thesis statement. So you're going to type your topic sentence and look at what I have here for your instructions. It says research to support number one. So number one is going to be topic sentence number one. You're going to find me two pieces of research from your working bibliography to help you support topic sentence number one, topic sentence number two, and topic sentence number three. You are required to find two pieces of research to support your topic sentences. The same thing for your opposing position, except you only need one piece of research to help you support the opposing view. On the right hand side, you'll see the source of the information. You are going to lift this information directly from your working bibliography. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go to the sample. So look at this sample. Here is my argument. Here are my arguments for R. Kelly being canceled. I asked, what is the controversy? Should R. Kelly be canceled? Preliminary thesis, R. Kelly should be canceled for his abuse of underage girls. I have my topic sentence here and I highlighted should be canceled to keep me on track, right? So each of my topic sentence number one, topic sentence number two, topic sentence number three, should support my thesis statement that R. Kelly should be canceled. Let's look at this. So my first topic sentence says R. Kelly first, use a transition. Use a transition for your topic sentences. First, R. Kelly should be canceled because of the sexual abuse allegations lodged by multiple women, some of whom were underage. Next topic sentence. Second, R. Kelly should be canceled because of his criminal convictions related to his abuse of women and underage girls. And topic sentence number three, R. Kelly should be canceled because of his indictment on child pornography charges. So those are going to be my topic sentences. That's the first thing I have to do. After I get my topic sentences, now it's time for me to go to my research. I'm going to go to my working bibliography and I'm going to start pulling information from my sources. So for the first topic sentence, I am pulling from this source. Because I have the URL for all of these entries, all I have to do is click on the URL and it will take me to the actual story for R. Kelly. So give me just a second because I see I missed it some kind of way and it should be here. So I pulled up the story. I've gone through gone through here, I'm going to have to read, and this is going to be the most difficult part of what you're doing. You've got to now read through your sources so that you can find things in here that will help you to support your topic sentence. So, my topic sentence says that R. Kelly should be canceled because of his abuse of underage girls. So, in this article from CNN, I found this quote, and I'm just going to copy this quote and I am going to put it into my outline. So one of the things I did here, um, I took out she and put Jane Doe so that I would have a proper subject, and it's in brackets so that I know I left something out or I added this. Um, and I have the exact quote here. So my topic sentence says he should be counseled because of the sexual abuse allegations lodged by multiple women, some of whom were underage. So look at this research, right? Jane Doe testified Kelly began engaging in sex acts with her when she was 14 and had sexual intercourse with her starting when she was 15, hundreds of times before she turned 18. So my research clearly supports my topic sentence. My research clearly supports my topic sentence. Now, look at this. I have research to support number one, and on this side, I have my source information, source for number one. So I simply copied from my working bibliography this source and I pasted it on my handout so that I know exactly where I got this information from. So research to support number one, it's just source for number one, and I pasted that information there. I know where I took the information. Same thing for my second support. I went to my article, control click to follow, right? Uh, I found the information that I needed, and it's support to which should match for source number two. And I just lifted this again, I just lifted this from my working bibliography, copied it, and pasted it into my document. It should be easy peasy. Now, question. Do you have to take each support from two different sources? And the answer is no. Look down here at topic sentence number three. I took both my research points, right? Support for number one and support for number two from one source, which is here, which again, I copied this directly from my works cited list, my working bibliography, excuse me. It's going to turn into your works cited list. I copied this from my working bibliography. I followed the link. I followed the information. I read, and I put the information here. Research to support number one and research to support number two. They all come from one source. So, do you have to use all of your sources? No. Remember, the working bibliography was just a list of potential sources. As you start taking notes, if you can take your research from one article to support everything on here, you are free to do that. You are not limited. You don't have to take information from a certain number of sources. However, uh, it's probably going to be easier for you to find different information in different sources depending on what you're looking up. So, this is what I want you to do. Although it sounds easy, and I hope I explained it in a way that you understand, it is going to take you some time to do it because now you have to go back and you have to read all of your working bibliography, pull information from it, see what information you need to help you support what it is you have outlined, what it is you're going to come up with for your support to counsel the person or not counsel the person. Uh, this is your paper. You chose your subject. Do the research. You've done some research. Now it's time to start putting the arguments together. So that's all I have for this video. Watch it more than one time. Remember, I want you to watch it more than one time. Make sure that you understand what it is that I want you to do. I hope that you have watched the video in its entirety. If you have questions after you've watched the video 2 or 3 times, please email me at philip.blackman@aamu.edu. I will be happy to answer your questions. All right, you have the week to get this assignment completed and submitted by the deadline. You can find your deadline or your due date on Blackboard. See you in the next video.